Hi everyone, welcome to Canva with ElizayDesigns. Today, we're going to create a stunning YouTube Shorts video using Canva. I'll walk you through each step. Section 1. Setting up Canva. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Canva account and click on Create a Design. Select a YouTube Shorts from the template options. Choose the 9:16 aspect ratio for vertical videos. Set the dimensions to 1080 by 1920 pixels. Section 2. Designing your video. Now, let's add a background image or video. I prefer video. Click on Elements and search for a background. Select a template or upload your own video or image. Subtitles and captions. Customize font styles, sizes, and colors. Use the drag and drop feature to arrange elements. Click on the animations and select from various options. Add music or audio tracks to your video. I'll add audio not later. Choose MP for format and select 108p or 4000 resolution. Description and tags. Upload video on YouTube and Shorts. That's it. Successfully created a stunning YouTube Shorts video using Canva. Add graphics and icons to enhance your design. Add effects like shadows. Experiment with different visual effects. Glitch. Next, add text elements. Title. When I upload it on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell icon. Section 3. Adding visual effects. Let's add some visual effects. Blur and more. Section 4. Exporting and uploading. Now, let's export our design as a video. Upload your video to YouTube Shorts. Optimize your video title. Add trending hashtags. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.